Good morning, children. Our first chapter of civics is Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The documents law and down the framework, democratic, fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers and duties of government, institutions and set of fundamental rights, directive principle and the duties of citizens. It is longest written constitution of any country on earth. B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, is widely considered to be its chief architect. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly. The preamble tells us about the source of the Constitution, the nature of the state and its main objective of the Constitution. Socialism involves fair distribution of the country's wealth among all sections of the people. Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly, consisting of indirectly elected representatives, was set up for the purpose of drafting a constitution for India. In the event it remained it being for almost 3 years, acting as the first Parliament of India after independence in 1947. The Assembly met for the first time in New Delhi on 9 December 1946. The last session of the Assembly was held in November 1949. Over the courses of this period, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, the Assembly held 11 sessions, sitting on a total of 165 days. The hope behind the Assembly was expressed by Jawaharlal Nehru. The first task of this Assembly is to free India through a new constitution, to feed the starving people and to clothe the naked masses, and to give every Indian the fullest opportunity to develop himself according to his capacity. Meaning of Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected to write the Constitution of India. Following India's independence from Great Britain, its member served as the national first parliament. So what is the definition of the Constituent Assembly? It means the unlimited capacity of parliament to make or unmake any law whatsoever or any matter. In this doctrine is also the inability of the court to question the validity of an act of the parliament. Function of a constitution: to provide a set of basic rules that allow for a minimal degree of the coordination and assurance amongst members of a society, to specify who has the power to make decisions in the society, to set limitations on the government, to enable the government to fulfill the aspiration of a society and create conditions for a society, to impress the fundamental identity of the people. Now the role of the Constitution. The Commonwealth Constitution is a set of rules or principles that guides how the nation is governed. It provides a legal framework for the creation of the Commonwealth Parliament and outlines the structure of Parliament. It outlines the law-making power of the Commonwealth Parliament, that is, in which area it can and cannot make laws. The state can make law in any area not mentioned in the Constitution or not specifically made exclusive to the Commonwealth Parliament. The Constitution creates the High Court and gives it the power to interpret the Constitution as the need arises. Thank you so much for today.